As an Ayurvedic doctor practicing for 26 plus years, I owe a certain responsibility to say certain things to the junior colleagues of mine, and as a knowledge to the public in general. That is, the first thing is, as Ayurvedic doctors, we have to prescribe GMP certified and certified medicines in our practice, and also convey the message to the patient that these medicines are GMP certified. All these certification symbols have been included in all the Ayurvedic medicine boxes which are available nowadays. Even there are websites of Ayurvedic medicines which are available online, and they can be seen and understood about the medicine, the ingredients, the mgs, and all the required research papers are also available with the company which they can avail. Even as Ayurvedic doctors, we have to keep the research papers and the certifications ready to explain to the patient how genuine the Ayurvedic medicines are, to remove the confusion from the public. Secondly, we have to own yoga, spirituality, naturopathy, nutrition, all these things, because as an Ayurvedic doctor, we are taught in this curriculum of yoga, naturopathy in our second year, and we have to convey this message to the public that Ayurveda is not only about medicine, it is about lifestyle, it is about yoga. We have to prescribe yoga in our prescriptions, and genuinely teach them every asana as a therapeutic value. And even naturopathy, even nutrition, we have to convey to the public that this has been taught to us, and we have to convey this taking 5 minutes time, that these medicines are when taken with the proper diet are most useful in treating the patient. The other aspect which I want to cover is, there are every week there is online CME, 1 or 2 online CMEs, and offline conferences every fortnight. So I also, being a learner for life, I would request all the junior doctors to attend as much as possible and upgrade your knowledge. Ayurvedic medicine has come a long way from being crude, and now it is become very professional and very authentic and very genuine, and with proper certification. So people have to understand that all Ayurvedic doctors do not prescribe allopathic medicines, and Ayurveda medicines are quite genuine, and they have to be understood in the exact context which the Ayurvedic doctors are prescribing. And again, Ayurvedic doctors have to keep in line the efficacy of the medicine, the companies which are giving very efficient medicines, and only those medicines have to be prescribed, because it is not only about one doctor prescribing medicine. When Ayurvedic medicines are given by the one doctor, it is the total assumption of Ayurveda which is seen by the public, that Ayurvedic medicines act on this illness, and Ayurveda medicines do not act on this illness. So it is our duty to give the best medicines to the patients who are believing in us unconditionally, so that we give justice to the soul of the Ayurvedic science. Any science, for that matter, has been developed for the betterment of the humanity. We even rocket science, or maybe Reiki or astrology, or all are in the same plane. They are all developed for keeping human beings happy, joyous, ill-free in this mortal plane. So if one science was not necessary, it would not have existed in the first place. So we have to understand that everything has to be integrated in our world to make our lives a better place to live. By this note, I thank you for giving me the opportunity to tell certain things about Ayurveda and its vast knowledge, which has been testified for years together, and has emerged as the science of the world for prevention and cure of diseases. Thank you very much.